Good morning and welcome to JDMV Channel 6 Action News. Your forecasters for today are Jenna Caspray, Donna Stillwell, Mackenzie Casey, and Victoria Moran.
Coming up on today's news, the daily forecast,
Weather for today's week,
and also today's winter weather forecast.
Now for today's forecast. The high will be 40 degrees Fahrenheit with a 20% chance of rain. The low will be 29 degrees with a 0% chance of rain. Today it will feel like 36 degrees in the morning, so for the kids going to school, you better bundle up. It will also be partly cloudy. The wind will be going northwest at 6 miles per hour in the morning. The wind at night will be going at north at 5 miles per hour. Straight to you, Mackenzie.
Hi, it's Mackenzie Casey here, reporting live on the scene from Delaware, New Jersey, where it's snowing right now. There's a winter weather advisory from 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. We could be expecting 1 to 3 inches in that range of time. The temperatures for today are the upper 20s or the lower 30s. Snow is created when water vapor in the clouds forms directly into ice crystals. It comes from the clouds in the form of snowflakes. Snowflakes come in many different shapes and sizes. I advise you that if you end up going outside today, to bundle up as much as possible and wear as warm protective clothing as you can. But if you can happen to stay inside, that is the best option. Just this morning, people were scraping ice off the windows of their cars from the overnight frost, and it can only get worse. If you're going in your car today, make sure you warm it up before you get inside, because parents and students may not even be able to get to school. And also, any children going to or from school, make sure you are as careful as possible on these slippery streets and sidewalks. Thank you. Have a fun snow day.
Thank you, Mackenzie. Now for the 5-day forecast. Today there will be 44 degrees and a low of 28 degrees, and there will be showers, 50% chance. The winds will be going northwest at 6 miles per hour. Now for Wednesday, for tomorrow, there will be a high of 35 degrees and a low of 29 with PM showers of snow, 40%, with winds going 5 to 10 degrees northeast. For Thursday, it will be a high of 41 degrees and a low of 26 degrees, mostly cloudy, so they just change, with 0% chance of rain, and northwest winds going 7 miles per hour. For Friday, there will be a 38% chance of 38 degrees and 28 degrees for a low. It will be sunny all day, and there will be a 0% chance of rain or snow or anything. And there will be winds going northwest at 7 miles per hour again. Now for the last day, Saturday, it will be a 37 degrees as a high and 29 degrees as a low. There will be rain and snow with 90% chance all day, 1 to 3 inches to be expected, with winds going 11 miles per hour northwest. Now there will be a warm front coming everywhere to Delaware, New Jersey. A warm front is a fast-moving warm air mass that overtakes a slow colder air mass, which is these right here going over. Because cold air is denser than warm air, the warm air will move over the cold air. It's affecting the upcoming 5-day forecast because the air masses are turning continental. A continental air mass is dry air mass that forms over lands. So that is it for your 5-day forecast. Back to you, Mackenzie.
Thanks, Jenna. So now we're going to talk about isobars. If you can see, all these lines spread out are lines that have air pressure. And similar on the east and similar on the west. If you can see, this line up here that is connected all the way throughout here has the same amount of air pressure. And all the lines that are connected have the same air pressure. This all has the air pressure of 1024. And then over here, you can see this line that's all connected has the air pressure of 1020. All of these isobars tell the air pressure and they're similar on the sides of the country. Thanks. Back to Victoria and Doc.
There has reportedly been a tornado in Mississippi and it has affected many people. There have reportedly been 5 people killed. There has been 3 in Marin County and 2 in Jones County. At least 50 people have been injured and have destroyed homes. These are some of the homes that have been affected by the tornado. As you can see, it's a mess. And in this picture, you can see the clouds. It's still very stormy and very dangerous and deadly. So if I were you, I would be very safe and careful if you're near Mississippi in the south.